COMPUTEX 2025. My name is Rosalie. I would like to briefly introduce our QCT OmniPOD solution. QCT OmniPOD is a complete end-to-end 5G solution. It includes OmniCore for 5G codes, OmniRAN for 5G new radio, and OmniView, our OAM system. Why should you choose OmniPOD? We deliver 3 nightly features: network reliability, product flexibility, and user-friendly. Our solution supports higher bandwidth and faster data transmission, making it ideal for the wide range of environments. We also collaborate globally, for example, with COTD on RIG development in Singapore, with AUO for smart manufacturing case in Taiwan, with Fraunhofer IIS on healthcare project in Germany, and NTT's on local 5G optimization project in Japan. We are excited to expand more innovation, global collaborations, and looking forward to the next generation OmniPOD. See you there. Thank you.